Ya, para Congo.
Yeah, tiger also. Tigers, we don't have tigers here in Sri Lanka. Basically, we have leopards. Leopards. But in this stretch, more tuskers and elephants. If you go to this stretch down south, we have Yala, well popular for the leopards. We don't have lions and tigers here in Sri Lanka.
And elephant is how much?
Elephant we have.
Good number. How many Jew are there? Big Muslim Jew.
That depends on, you cannot say, but sometimes some period we have even 100 to 120 property. Mango, both sides you can see the mango, lot of mango trees. Very popular for the mango.
Mango.
Dedicated area for the mango cultivation. And now king coconut is really tasty here in Sri Lanka. Average price about 200 to 250 rupees. And coconut we have 2-3 different colors. The most taste one is the orange color one. We call it king coconut, and also we have the green color one. For us, it's not much taste. We call tender coconut, but we love this green orange color one. That is king coconut.
Elephant.
They are crossing from one to another side. Tusker. Let's go. Wow. Actually,
Coin like the room do it. 209. Anh tung rồi vợ không? Nong su tare hꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ room number 9 ꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯥꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯣꯡꯁꯨ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯥꯔꯦ namun seafood, tomato, chicken, đem rau đây. Cái nào muốn cái nồi kia mà sân mèo si mèo sẽ si sage su si item sage su ya đấy là seafood này su ya đấy seafood lam tau lah ke bagi WhatsApp pi mayam kari magi yang biru Colombo nga. Là phôi cùng đốt ấy mà phôi phôi lại đấy hoặc vì papaya, watermelon, ये pastel jelly
There must also be a lot of other things.